Guys, there's a duck here. That's a duck. What are you doing under there?
Oh, baby.
That's a duck. It's too wet for a duck. We're in Bergen, Norway. It's another rainy day. It's always raining in Norway. Yeah, you're in video.
I'm gonna be famous?
Yeah. YouTube. It's a rainy day in Bergen, Norway. Thank you. We're in the Rosenkranz castle. Is this the dungeon?
Mm-hmm. Start with the dungeon first.
We're starting with the dungeon.
So sorry.
This is the dungeon.
Is this like a jail?
The dungeon dates back to the 16th century.
That's cool. Look at that. This is the king's bedchamber. What is this?
I'm sure it's not now.
Yeah, it's a crapper. Oh.
This is the king's secret?
It's a
King's secret bathroom.
King's crapper in here. It's the kingly crapper.
This is it, huh? This is where the king sat on his throne.
And Shad. The king sat.
And the king shat. Here we go. That's Bergen, Norway. We're going back in the castle.
Dragon, he's only 3 years.
It's raining. It's been raining every day on our tour of Norway. It's raining. Raining. Rainy day in Bergen. Rainy days in Norway.
You guys are the best singers on the boat, man. Appreciate it. You forgot the guitar or what?
We're famous in Norway. Alright, we need to get to the top of this mountain up there. There's a cable car that goes up there and we're going to look for it. We're looking for a cable car that goes up the side of the mountain. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Thank you. Alright, we're going to the top. We're going to the top. Scan. Alright, we are at the top of the cable car station. really rainy out here. Pretty. That's a duck. What are you doing under there? Oh, it smells so good in here.
And here is a cinnamon roll with apple and a little bit of vanilla custard. And this is a pizza roll with cheese.
Coffee, buddy. It's pouring rain. We need to get out. Welcome. We got a front row view. Alright, this is the famous Bergen Fish Market. Alright, I'm heading back. I left them to eat something. It is so wet. My feet are soaked. I'm heading back on board. We'll be here again in 2 weeks. Buck and I bought these umbrellas in France last week and we thought we'd never use it. There hasn't been a day when we haven't used it. Use it every day.